Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Sephora play for September 2018. If you guys want to see what's in this month's play box, then keep on watching. The biggest elephant in the room is that they did switch up the Sephora play bags this month. Now I don't know if this is something that will be going forward where they're going to be using more of these recyclable bags. Granted, the other bags were recyclable, but like not in the way that I would recycle them, like glam bags and so on and so forth. But this is what the bag looks like, and on the back it says open bags, pour out sample, high five self. I really like this because it's different than, you know, the cloth bags that we usually get. And then again, this, if it does end up in the trash or if I don't end up needing it, I can recycle it and do a little bit better for the earth. We strive so much on making sure that we aren't wasting product and we aren't, you know, making the earth a harmful place. Whether you believe in global warming or not is your own cup of tea, but I think any little bit helps, and that's definitely a cool initiative that Sephora has taken forward. This month's play box is all about next gen beauty, which I think is really funny because next month is Gen Beauty in New York City, which I will be attending. Granted, completely different type of venue, different type of beauty subscription, but nonetheless, we are talking about next generation beauty, and this month is all about innovative batch of beauty is exactly what we need to be a trendsetter. We have all these different things talking about the play bag, how it's, you know, going green, the hybrids, water wonders, all so on and so forth. So definitely products inside that will be innovative, different, unique, something that we've never seen before. The first item inside our play bag this month is from Too Faced, and this is the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Now I've tested the Hangover setting spray, big fan. I have also tested this in the past too. Whether it's been in the life of the blog or the life of the website or the life of this channel, I'm not sure, but I will be sure to do my research and put it down below if it has been. Next inside our Sephora play this month, we have a product from Sephora, and this is the LashCraft Big Volume Mascara. Now, I'm pretty sure I've tested one of their mascaras in the past. I cannot remember which one it was, but I remember not being a huge fan of it. But again, like with the Too Faced product, it's always good to try out different brands that you may have had bad experiences with the first time around because your preferences are always going to change. This is what the wand looks like. So it's going to kind of pull all those little baby lashes up and give you eye-opening volume. This has polymers that make lashes appear thicker and bolder, and it also has nourishing jojoba seed oil to help prevent clumping and flaking. So definitely something that has a lot of high claims. I remember testing out a Sephora Collections mascara in the past. I don't believe it was on terms of this channel, but like in the life of the blog, if that makes sense. And I remember not being a big fan, but again, it's always good to test and retest out products to see if your opinions have changed at all. The next item inside our Sephora play this month is from Sunday Riley, and this is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. And its smell isn't too unbearable. I know also this month we had tested out the Good Genes, and boy, let me tell you, that is a rough smelling product if you do not like licorice. I'm somebody who likes licorice, and that's still really strong. And that's always the thing with Sunday Riley products, is that sometimes they smell really good and sometimes they smell really bad. Like, I'm still scarred from the Martian mattifying gel toner. Like, that one was rough. That one was really bad. I will say that this does feel very, very hydrating and very moisturizing. It kind of makes the skin on the back of my hand a little bit more blurred, so that could be something that helps kind of fill in whatever lines and wrinkles. And it's supposed to be a brightening cream too, so that will certainly help on those mornings that say maybe your skin's looking a little dull or lackluster. So I'm definitely excited for this. I have been loving whatever Sunday Riley products I have tested out. Again, they are a little bit pricier, but again, if it's good skincare and I know it's gonna work, I don't mind spending the money on it. But I will definitely have to test this one out and see if the smell is among some of the better of Sunday Riley products, because the Good Genes, it smells so rough, but like the CEO brightening serum, it smells amazing. So it's like, it literally is a dice roll anytime I smell a Sunday Riley product, is the bottom line. Inside our Sephora play here, we have a product from Peter Thomas Roth, and this is the Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. So I guess with this, you're gonna definitely be feeling the heat, which is something that I'm almost a little nervous for, because like, I don't like things that are uncomfortable, and if it's a heat sensation, I'm always going to be afraid that I'm going to burn myself. I don't know if you guys know this, but apparently like thermal pools and like thermal spas and like public baths and stuff is a really big thing in Hungary, and we will be going to Budapest in February, so I'm actually like a little excited for that trip and for that experience, and seeing this is like kind of gearing me up and getting my wanderlust super ready for it. So basically you leave the mask on for 3 minutes, wet fingers with cool water, and then massage it, and then that's supposed to kind of like, I guess, heat it up. I don't know what in terms of the heat is that going to do for our skin, but needless to say, I am pretty excited to try it out nonetheless. And if anything, it just gets me super excited to go to Budapest in February. So maybe that might be something worth purchasing in lieu of that trip. Who knows? We'll have to test it and see. The next item inside our Sephora play this month is from NUDESTIX, and this is the Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the shade Color Kiss. This is going to be a 2-for-1, where it's going to be either a lip product or also like a cheek stain. So this is the color of it, and truthfully, I don't know if I would wear this as like a blush color, because we know I am very, very picky when it comes to my blush colors. And so I would swatch this for you guys, but unfortunately I haven't taken my flat lay photos yet, and I don't want to ruin the product before doing that. So this is what the color is. I've tested NUDESTIX in the past, and I do remember being a semi-fan. They had a concealer I really liked, and they also had like lipsticks that, you know, with this pencil formula that are pretty cool. I like the convenience of a 2-for-1, so if I am traveling or if I am on the go, I can throw this in my bag, and if I need a little freshen up on lip and cheek color, it's the convenience of both of it. I have a convenient product, so that's definitely cool to try out. Last thing inside our Sephora play this month is our perfume sample, and this is from VIKTOR&ROLF, and this is the Flowerbomb Nectar. I'm a little nervous for, oh, well, if I wanted to be cute about this, it wasn't happening. Let's go ahead and give her a squirt here. On my arm would be helpful. Ooh. Okay. So when I think flower, obviously we think the flowers like gardenia, rose, so on and so forth. But for whatever reason, I'm really picking up a more spice. Definitely some spice. A little musk in there. I don't know what that is. What is that scent? It almost smells as if like something I've tested in the past that I was a really big fan of. But this says, it combines a delicate floral bouquet with a smoky and metallic note for a more sensual interpretation of the original fragrance. The fragrance family for that is warm and spicy, with top notes of osmanthus, orange blossom, middle notes of tonka bean, and gunpowder accord. What? That is, I don't know what gunpowder is supposed to smell like, but I guess that's what's giving it that smoky vibe to it. But yeah, I actually really like that. It's not something that like when you think flower that's really overbearing, but in fact it has again that kind of that smoky scent to it. Man, I like that a lot. Why do I like that so much? Are my opinions changing? Am I going through a beauty crisis where like I don't know what I like and what I don't like anymore? That was everything that was inside my Sephora play this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I get new play boxes. So this month there are certainly some products I am really excited to test out, and there are some products that I'm kind of a little on the fence about just because of past experience with certain brands or companies or whatnot, but that's nonetheless. I think in a first overall impression, I would give this month's box a... let's give her a B. If we're gonna keep it 100, I feel like the past couple months, like my beauty subscriptions have either been really killing it or really kind of indifferent. Sephora has been one that I really have been kind of lackluster. There have been some really great products I've discovered through Sephora Play, but the past couple months have been a little depressing. There's definitely some hidden gems in this box for sure that maybe someday will turn into favorite products. It just, again, you know, that's the fun of testing out beauty subscriptions, because instead of spending $100 on a face cream, test it out and see if it's worthwhile. That's the fun and convenience of these beauty subscriptions. Like this time last year was definitely like I was riding high on the Sephora Play bandwagon because of testing out that Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream, but like I kind of been like on the fence about it. this is definitely a month that has regained some confidence. And yeah, be sure to do a full review of all the products on the website, and you guys can check that out at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's. And I'll also be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and bounce. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye guys.